Today we're going to be going over how to write an equation when you're given a word problem, something that we should remember about like 5D process. So today we're going to work through the problem. Adele, Amanda, and Alyssa are raising money to go on a trip. Adele sold twice as many cookies as Amanda. Alyssa sold the same number as Amanda. Together they raised $640. How much did each sister raise? So as you can see, we have our three sisters here, and we need to be able to identify how much each raised to get to the total of 640. So what I created is 4 easy steps for you to follow to try to find your answer and set up your equation. So the first step is to define your variable. I always like to choose X. So what you need to do in this situation is you need to be clear about what X is representing. So in this case, I like to pick either like the person that comes up the most or just an important piece of information from the problem. In this problem, I have 3 sisters to choose from, but it appears to me that Amanda's name comes up the most. So I'm going to say X equals the amount of money Amanda raised. So when I do that, now that's the only variable I'm going to use through this whole problem, but I'm going to use it more than once. Because in the next step, I have to represent all the pieces of information in terms of that variable that I just chose. So I chose X to represent Amanda. The other people in the situation, so Adele and Alyssa, I need to represent in terms of X or in terms of Amanda. So come back up into the problem and read. Adele sold twice as many cookies as Amanda. So in terms of Amanda, that's twice the amount, or just 2X. Oops, let me change back to the pen. Or 2X. And then Alyssa, I'm going to change a different color. Say Alyssa sold the same number as Amanda, which means that she's also just X, because it's the same amount. So there I represented everybody else, so the other 2 sisters, in terms of Amanda. Step 3, I just have to put it all together. So in this problem, it literally says together they raised a certain amount of money. So together, the key word there is addition. You just add everything up. So I'm going to rewrite this to be Amanda plus Adele plus Alyssa, which is going to be X plus 2X plus another X, because you have your Amanda, your Adele, and your Alyssa. So now the problem told me how much this is supposed to equal, and it's supposed to be a total of $640. So I'm just going to set that equal to $640. So now I'm all the way up to step 4. I just have to solve the equation I wrote. So this one is nice and simple. We just have to add up all our X's here. So we have X plus 2 plus another X, which means that's going to get us 4 X's over here, which still equals 640. Nice little one step. You just need to divide by 4. When you divide by 4, you're going to get X is equal to 160. And remember, X represents Amanda, so that means Amanda raised $160, which means Adele raised twice that amount, which would put her at $320, and Alyssa raised the same amount, which was $160. So if I was to add those all together, I should get back to my original $640.